Hello guys, welcome to Silicon Cliff. First of all, I have to apologize for not uploading any videos for the past 3 months because I have a project submission for my master's degree. But I have seen the comments from the previous installation video, which is the 2025.2 version installation video, and many people have difficulty in linking the license. And I also got few emails saying that they have issues when they are trying to link the license to the Vivado software. So first of all, I want to say a few things about the licensing system because AMD changed their licensing system. So they have introduced a new tier-based licensing system where they divided the whole product into different licenses and different tiers. So if you see the tiers of these licenses, you can actually see here. So this is the new Vivado design suit tires, which comes with basic, core, pro, enterprise, and gold tires. So for the free version, you can get the basic tire license, which we can again renew every year. And based on your requirement, you can get these licenses further if you want to, that is. And you can, if you are working with the physical device like Zinc boards or Vertex boards, you can see, if you scroll down here, you can see the device supported by tires. So for the free, basic tire, you can see which devices are supported in your Vivado 2026.1 version. So in this video, we are going to see how you can install Xilinx Vivado 2026.1 version and how you can link the license because they have changed the license. In previous versions, it used a WebPack license, but now you have to get the basic tier license for the product. So to download the Vivado software, you search for AMD in Google and I will search from the beginning. So I will search for AMD and then open the first one. And then inside this, you can click on products, software, tools and apps, and Vivado software. And now after this page opens, you can click on download now. And it will redirect you to the download page. So in the previous versions, you can see that the web page, the download page actually changed a lot. In the previous versions, you used to get the version info in the left side and the downloading options on the right side. But now they have made a drop-down menu where you can simply select the version you like and then you can download it. So we are downloading the 2026 version, which is the latest version they released. And you can scroll down a little bit and you can see the self-extracting web installer. So this contains only the web installer. So what happens is when you run this installer, the installer will fetch the files from the internet and it will download and install your software. But if you want an offline installation, you can click on this. So I will go with the self extraction window. So if I click on this, it will ask you to sign in. And if you already have an account, you can sign in on. If you don't have an account, you can simply create an account. And after you create the account, it will get something like this, download center name and address verification. You can fill out these forms and for the job function, you can choose your job function. For the basic tires or as you're using it for free, I recommend using a student because you're a student. I mean, I'm a student. So after you select all these things, you can simply click on download and the installer will be downloaded. So I've already downloaded in this afternoon. So I'm going to open this. And when you open it, if Microsoft Defender stops you from opening it, uh, you can simply click on run anyway. And now click on S and it will start the self-extracting. Now the installer will start basically with no time because now the installer actually opened. So you can see the 2026.1 version is what we installed. Now click on allow. And now you can see that this is the wizard that opened. So in here, you can click on next. And then here you have to give the Xilinx AMD credentials here, which I'm going to give right now. After entering the credentials, you can click on. After entering the credentials, you can click on next, and you have to select the download and install now. Okay, so I actually spelled it wrong. So glyph. All right, now select the download and install now, and click on next. And now in here, you have to select Vivado and then click on next again. So in here, you have to select a device type. Uh, as we are only using it for simulation as well as the RTL schematics, I'm going to use the engineering sample devices because I don't really work with the physical devices. And if you are working with a specific device like 7 series or S4 series or ultra scale devices, you can actually select these things. It what it will do is what will fetch the files required for dumping your code and everything. So I'm not using any physical devices, so I'm just going with this thing, and then I will click next, and then I will click on I agree for all the agreements, and then click on next. And here you can see the installation options. So I'm going to choose a directory. I'm going to install in different directory. So I actually created a folder, specific folder for this already. About a 2026.1, and I will choose this directory to create this without installation. So now you can click on next and then review your download things. And you can see that the space required for the installation is 62 GB, while the download size is 17.33 GB. So it will take some time for downloading based on your internet speed and everything. And the installation speed depends on your device type. If you are using a HDD, if you're installing in a HDD, it will take a little bit of more time. And if it's an SSD, it will take a bit faster. So installation process also depends on your system requirements as well. So I've clicked on install and it actually started installing. So it will take some time to install the uh, Xilinx product, and after installation, it will ask for a it will ask for the license which you have to link to this version. So I will pause the video right now because it's gonna take around, it's showing that it will take 1 hour 20 minutes, but it might take more than 1 hour 20 minutes. So I'm gonna stop the video or pause the video right here, and once the download was completed, I will get back.
Okay, so I've left the downloading and installation in the yesterday night, and I hope the Vivado was downloaded and installed successfully. And after I woke up, I have seen that my laptop was shut down actually, but I can see the icon of Vivado 2026.1 version here. So I hope the installation was successful. And if I try to open the Vivado version, I'm getting an error saying that it cannot be launched because of a valid license was not found. So I have actually got mails regarding this that they are getting this error when they are opening the product. So we have to generate a license for the Vivado 2026 version, and I will show you how you can do that. So open the Chrome and then search for Xilinx license. And so when you search for Xilinx license manager, you can see that Xilinx product licensing site. Open it, and right after you open it, it will ask for you to sign in first of all. And after you sign in, you have to fill this form again, and then click on submit. And after you click on the submit, it will redirect you to the license generation page. So this is the license generation page where you can generate the license. And previously we used to have the this license, which is called as Vivado Design Suitable Website License, which is used to work in previous products as well. But now you have to get the basic Vivado basic tire license, which is a node local license. So you have to select this and click on generate node local license. I will show you the Vivado basic tire license, and for the host ID, search for license manager. Here the manage licenses 2026.1, and it will open license manager for 2026.1 version, and here you have to go and click on view host information. Here you can see that there is a lot of IDs, which is known as the C drive serial number and network interface card ID. So when clicking on the select ID and click on host ID, you can give these things here. So for the host name, it is Jarvis for me, because you can see in here that the host name is Jarvis here, and then operating system is Windows 64-bit, and then for the host type, you can use the serial disk serial number, because I have the drive serial number here, so I'm going to use that in here. But if you have the Ethernet MAC or dongle Flex ID, it will show here. So you can see that Flex ID dongle ID here. And if you have the NIC network interface card IDs here, I'm going with the device serial ID. So I'm going to click on device serial ID, and now I will copy this, and then I will simply paste it here, and then click add, and then I'll click next, and you can review the licenses you want, and then click on next. And now the basic tire license was generated successfully, and you can either download or click on mail. So I'm going to download for now, and the license was downloaded, and you can go to the license manager again, load license, and then copy license. And inside this, you can go to the downloads, here, or you can select Xilinx one. You can see that license was installed successfully. Now, to confirm if the license was installed, you can go to view license status, and in here you can see that Vivado basic package and Vivado implementation, synthesis, and simulation entire license was installed successfully. So you have to renew these licenses every year. So the expiration date will be 1 year from now. I'm going to close this. Now if I try to open Vivado 2026.1 version, it should open without any errors. Now the license was inputted successfully, and let's see if the Vivado opens again. So if I double click on it, it should open without any errors. So let's wait for some time. So you can see that the Vivado is actually open. So this is how you in link you can generate the license and link the license for the new versions of Vivado. If you have any errors, or if you're still getting any issues regarding the licensing and linking the license, you can comment down in this video, or you can mail me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.